Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for the third time today. I'm gonna do a really quick makeup look. I'm gonna do a new eyeshadow technique that I haven't done. It's where you just apply eyeshadow right here and then right here, and then you right here is like an empty space. I don't think I've tried this before. I saw it on Pinterest. It's really old, but I'm barely doing it. I'm trying to do new techniques. So I'm just gonna do something really simple and quick. So I'm gonna use the AC Beauty Vintage Stone Palette. I'm just gonna use this brown shade for my crease. This looks purple. I wanted a medium brown, but I guess I'm just gonna use this one. So I'm just gonna blendy. Oops, my tape is falling. So just going to blend. Get a clean brush. This was my very first my first makeup brush. It came in a two set. This one and a flat eyeshadow brush. The other one fell and I threw it away because it got dirty. But this one I still kept. It's I think LA Colors eyeshadow blender, and I think I bought it at the dollar store. I'm not sure. It was a long time ago. I was in high school, I think. And it still works. I use it just to buff out everything, but not to apply color, because this is not good to apply color. I mean, it's pigmented, but the shape of, I don't know how to explain, but girl, I still have it and it's so old. I only use this and the flat brush for eyeshadow for high school. I think high school or a few years after, I forgot. But so I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm just gonna do a quick gold shimmery shade for the lid. I'm just gonna give them this one. So I'm gonna use this gold shade I haven't used. Gonna apply it all over. I have an eye booger all over my eyelid. I forgot to cut the crease. That's because I'm rushing right now. I don't have a lot of time. Somebody's calling. Okay, now I'm gonna remove my tape, and look, that's it, cut. It's a little bit messy, so I'm gonna clean it. And it's crooked, but I mean, I think I need to redo it, but I don't have time, so I guess so. I'm gonna use the same brown shade for my lower lash line. I messed it up. I'm rushing. I don't have time. It's for the waterline. The lighter shade of brown. use mariposa. Okay, so now I'm gonna powder with their put too much. I'm almost hitting pan. I can see I'm gonna apply a highlighter. Ouch. Okay, now I'm gonna apply this old L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the shade I Am Worth It. Alright, I like the name. This is old and probably expired or it shouldn't work, but this is new. It smells like chemical. New as in the sense that I haven't worn it, so I want to wear red, but this is a darker shade of red. Oh, never mind. I thought it was gonna be darker. I wanted a darker. Oh well. Gonna use it still. Well, I guess it matches my shirt. I don't really like this look, but I rushed it. I don't know, something about the colors. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so I hope y'all like this really quick fall makeup look. It looks funky. Let me be honest, but I wanted to do at least a makeup look today because I filmed 2 videos before this. So okay, I hope this was, I don't know. Bye. Thank y'all for watching.